Hello. This is the third video. In this video, I will test the GPS module static current consumption value. Now I have not inserted the GPS module to this column system. Now the value, the static current consumption value is fluctuated now. The biggest value is almost more than 20, 24, 20, maybe 27, 28, 29. Okay, let us suppose it is 35. Okay, now this is GPS module. In arm GPS module, in arm the engine is off status. GPS module where be sleeping mode. Sleeping mode GPS static current consumption is small, but in the value is more than column system static current system. Then we insert the column system, and you can see this. Okay, but this value is incorrect because the GPS module is a restart process. That is to say, it is not a sleep mode. It is working now. It is working. It's operation currently. It's not a sleep currently. Sleep currently must be sleeping mode of GPS module. Okay. Wait. When this GPS blue light is blinking slowly, and it is real static value. Okay, and you can see now. This GPS mode in arm firstly, PKE enable. Thirdly, GPS module is sleeping mode. Now the total value is almost more than 50 milliampere, 53, 54, 50. Okay, 75. Okay, 75. That is to say, our GPS column system, the total value is 75. It is the biggest value. This is a static current mostly. Okay, 35. Okay, 35. Now, in the second video, I just tested the static current. It is almost 35. Now it is 75. Almost this GPS module static current is almost 35, 40. Okay. The static current is very small. Okay. GPS module static current is very small, but it is higher than common system. This is now it is working now, but it is sleeping mode. It is not working mode. Okay, so if your car battery power is lost fastly, or battery power is imported during the short time, you need to check other reasons. Also, you can test the current consumption by this video. I will send you 3 videos. You can test like my video, test the static current consumption, and you will know what is problem, what is the real problem, our product is good or not. You can use this method to judge it. Thank you. Bye bye.